Let's get started in our morning meeting. You may have noticed that I changed up our days in homeschool because on Friday we had filled up our 210 frames. And so that way recording how many days of school is no longer useful. So I made us a place value chart. So Friday we were at 2 10s and 0 1s, but I added another one because as of today, we've been doing this for 2 10s and 1 1, or 21 days. We can use our place value chart and also do a number bind using the different place values, the 10s place and the 1s place. So our whole is 21. In our 10s place, we have 2 10s and 0 1s, or 20. And on this side, we have 1. So 21 equals 20 plus 1, or 20 plus 1 equals 21. 21 days of doing this, friends. Thanks for hanging in there with me, watching my videos, coming to my live Google Meets. I really appreciate you and your families for making this kind of learning happen. Let's look at our calendar, friends. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Today is Monday, May the 4th, 2020. Oh, there's a little bug. May the 4th, 2020. It is Monday the 4th. Monday, May the 4th. Let's look over at our class creed. I believe in myself and my ability to succeed. I will listen. Good. I will see. I will speak. I will think. I will reason. I will read. And I will write. I am respectful, responsible, and I am ready. I will do all of these things with one thing in mind: to do my best and help the world. And I know you are at home doing your very best as well. Today, our kid of the day is Mr. Michael D. Michael. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters in his name. It's the 5th month of the year. It's the 4th day. It's 2020. Michael, Mrs. Morgan likes how you are, A-R-E-R, so eager to participate. Michael loves participating, either in our Google Meets or when we were in school. He would raise his hand every single question I asked. Michael loved to participate, and it shows how excited he is about learning, and I love that about Michael D. I know that your friends, Michael, would say, we like how you share. Michael D is excellent at sharing. They would say, we like how you are kind. He is a kind friend and has lots and lots of friends. We like how you play nicely. Michael was a fun friend to play with in school. He was excellent at sharing and being kind, which makes him so fun to play with. So thanks for being our kid of the day, Michael. Let's take a look at our morning message, friends. If you notice and zoom in, we have new sight words this week. We have the word there, saw, away, ran, walk, eat, and or. So 7 new words. We're going to keep these words for the next 2 weeks, friends. Let's read our message. May 4th, 2020. Dear friends, I hope you had a good weekend. I went for a long walk. Remy and Riley ran ahead of me many times. We saw some deer in our neighborhood during one of our walks. We saw them eat flowers off of a large bush. This week, we will continue to learn about Africa and Antarctica. We will read a fiction or a not true or make-believe story. Book 2. Love always, Mrs. Morgan. So we'll continue to learn about Africa and Antarctica, and we also have an exciting fiction or storybook to read during this week's lessons as well. Let's take a look inside of our morning message to find some of the new sight words in our message. So if I'm looking, I see the word ran. The girls ran ahead of me. And the word ran has that "an," that tiny word "an" in it. So you could have it be part of the "an" family. Ran, pan, tan, ban. All of those have the tiny word "and" in them. And so you can make up lots of words if you know the teeny tiny word "and," like in the word ran. Here's another one of our new sight words. Saw. S-A-W, saw. The A-W makes the aw sound. Like if you saw an adorable baby and you said aw, the A-W makes the aw sound. Saw. We saw them eat flowers off of a large bush. What wildlife do you see in your neighborhood? Any squirrels? Have you ever seen a deer in your neighborhood? Or maybe a fox? We have a lot of deer in our neighborhood and we see them a lot. All right, one more. Let's see. What other sight word did I sneak in our message today? I know that I put many of them. And it's this one right here. I lost it for a second. It's the word eat. The E-A put together in this word makes the long E sound. Eat. Eat. So we found the word ran, we found saw, and we found the sight word eat. If you pause this message, what other words do you see in our message? Maybe words from other sight word lists that we've seen, or maybe some words from this week. I snuck a lot of them in there. All right, friends, let's wrap up our morning meeting today so I can get ready for our Google Meet. I will see you shortly. Remember, that's at 2 o'clock every single day. Ready? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you this morning? I am fine and I hope you are too. I am fine and I hope you are too. I am fine and I hope you are too. I hope you are too this morning. Turn to your neighbor and give them air high 20 again. 10, 20. Turn to your neighbor and give them an air high 20. 10, 20. Turn to your neighbor and give them an air high 20. 10, 20. Give them a high 20 this morning. See you soon, friends. Have a great day.